List of tools: tape measure, saw, drill or screwdriver. Plant box. Step 1. Cut 2 by 12 inch boards into the desired side dimensions of the plant box's recommended 1 meter. Step 2. Assemble them into a box. Step 3. Drill holes into the corners, drive screws through the holes to fix the board to another. Step 4. Fill the boxes with soil. Lawn mowing. Step 1. Choose the pattern: checkerboard, spiral, stripes. Step 2. Set the height of your lawnmower blade to the recommended for your type of grass. Step 3. Drive the lawnmower according to the pattern guidelines.